right, so back again. I'm gonna do this again. And today, I'm gonna roll with some corned beef brisket. I got a little pork roast I'm gonna throw on here, and we're gonna do some beef hot dogs. So, I got a pot of greens already started in the house too. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what else I'm gonna make for a side, but we'll figure it out and get it cracking. Let's get it. Got this bad baby lit. Let it get hot. Go in here and prep this meat. You know what I'm saying? Get it all seasoned up and hurry up and get it up out here. You know what I'm saying? We already heating up. Look, we just lit it and we already at 300. So we doing good. We sprayed her down. Protect our paint job like we always do. She's shiny. Let's get it. All right, so I just wanted to spare y'all watching me season all this stuff because I'm trying to hurry up and get this done for my family. But I promise I ain't gonna keep doing that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all see how I do this, or what I'm doing anyway. But I'll explain. I had I spread mustard all over this for my binder, and then I seasoned it very simply with some salt and pepper, and then I got some smokehouse maple seasoning and some few other tricks. I'll lay them out and show you in a minute. All right, so I got them both on here. We're gonna close this lid and get it cracking. We got a late start today, so we might be eating kind of late, but it's all good. It'll be worth the wait, that's for sure. So we got the lid shut. We got our roast and our brisket on here. You know what I'm saying? We strong, 375. That's right, because we can't be out here all day. We're gonna wrap this in throw it in the oven, that brisket anyway, and we're gonna get that cowboy butter going too. Slice it up in the oven, so we good. Everything gonna be done. Ain't nobody getting sick around here, and it's gonna be delicious. This is what we ran with on those roasts. You know what I'm saying? And the black pepper. We got it rocking like we always do. Look, maintain 375. You know what I'm saying? We hanging in there, holding it strong. Got a nice clear smoke coming out. Can't wait for this food to be done. We're gonna slam today. Look at the family starving, so I threw some dogs out here. My brisket and my pork roast still got a ways to go, but we're gonna have hot dog appetizers. You know what I'm saying? So the family won't starve to death while I'm cooking. This is after 2.5 hours right here. It is beautiful. This is the pork roast right here. Flip it over. Look at that, and that looks so good. That looks amazing right there. This is the corned beef brisket. Flip that. Now don't forget what I told you. We're not doing 6-7 hours, because we're gonna slice that up and then we're gonna go in the oven inside it with that cowboy butter. So it's gonna go nuts. You know what I'm saying? And everything will be fully cooked. Like I said, ain't nobody getting sick around here. We won't play games. And yes, it has been raining out here for probably about the last hour. They wanted to try to stop me. They can't stop me. Good eating, no matter what. That's what we do. The kids was out here kicking it in the pool. It was a beautiful day. I don't know where this rain came from, but it's still a beautiful day, no matter what. And we're gonna eat like it is. Now we're melting down cowboy butter. It's butter, paprika, a little cayenne pepper, some thyme, some cloves, some parsley. We got some Dijon mustard, some minced garlic, and some horseradish. And we're gonna melt that down. We're gonna go get our brisket, bring it in here, slice it up, pop it in a glass oven pan, cover it in foil, and let it dance in the oven for a little bit. That's gonna get us that tenderness and that flavor. It's gonna go crazy. All right, I got my corned beef brisket all sliced up. My pork roast is beautiful. We're not putting that in the cowboy butter though, just the corned beef brisket. I'm gonna just eat that pork just like it is and get that good natural flavor from that. You know what I'm saying? So let me pour this cowboy butter on here and get this covered up with foil and pop it in that oven. The sweet thing is, even after this is done, I can still get some of that cowboy butter out of here and I can dip my pork roast in it if that's what I choose to do. So it's all good. We in there. Let's shut it and get it popping. So after all the hard work, this is what we ended up with. We got the beef brisket, we got the pork roast, we got the greens, and we got some mash and gravy. It's amazing the way it looks. It tastes just as good as it looks, and we're about to dig in. I appreciate you watching. Until we meet again, I'm out.